Yo, what's going on, man? Let's get into the list real quick. Motor chart guy here. So I'm gonna be looking at CrowdStrike, AMD, Snow, and Meta. So what I want to show you guys here on Meta is we could catch this support here at 160, but since we have that 2 down candle, we could break through and go down and fill that wick, right? So we're probably looking at a bear day today, once again. So if we catch that support here at 160, we catch the bounce on the weekly, and we can probably ride it back up. But if it goes through that 160 support, guess where we're going? Probably going down and fill that wick. So another one we're gonna take a look at is AMD, and I want to show you guys that one as well. AMD also has that same setup, 212 to the downside. So just to show you guys, you know what I mean? Like, hey, if we break the support here at 80.08, then hey, we're probably going back down to touch that 200. But if not, we get the bounce and we probably start coming back up a little bit. So let's wait. Let's see what the candles do. Let's see how the market moves today. Most likely we're looking for, bearish movement. The spot is down. So with that being said, you deserve nothing, but you earn everything. Let's get it.